Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I've got a very exciting recipe for you. With Halloween just around the corner, we're going to be making some edible blood. So let's get started. So we're going to start with 4 tablespoons of golden syrup, and if you can see it's very liquidy because I've warmed that up. And to this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of cornflour, which will make it more opaque like real blood, and of course some red food colouring. We're just going to mix it all up. Oh, it's starting to look like blood. So this is our edible blood all made. It's as simple as that. This is perfect on cakes and cookies and anything else you want to make spooky for Halloween. I'm actually making this evening for my brain cake, and if you want to see that you can click the link up above or it'll be in the description down below. Thanks very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you all next time. Have a happy Halloween!